Today, we are looking into kitchen equipment. Kitchen equipment are facilities and tools used in the kitchen for food preparation and for making cooking tasks easier. The types of equipment needed depend on the user of the kitchen. When selecting or purchasing equipment, the following factors should be considered: income or availability of money, size of the kitchen, the safety and maintenance of the equipment, the durability and usability of the equipment, the importance and essentiality of the equipment. Types of kitchen equipment. Kitchen equipment can be divided into small equipment, large equipment, mechanical equipment. Small equipments, these are equipment that can be moved from one place to another. They serve as the equipment in the kitchen. Example: plates, bowl, tray, cover, and so on. Large equipments, they occupy fairly large floor spaces. They are not easily moved from one place to another, they are fixed equipment. Example: gas cooker, refrigerators, electric cookers, and so on. Mechanical equipments, these are equipment that simplify some basic kitchen operations by the use of electricity. Examples are blender, food mixer, mincer, toaster, dishwasher, potato peeler, and so on. Care of the refrigerator. Do not open the door for too long or else warm air would enter, thus giving it additional work. Food should be arranged inside the refrigerator in such a way that cold air can circulate all round. Excessive packing of food into the refrigerator should be avoided. Never remove materials from the freezer compartment with sharp objects. Refrigerator should be cleaned thoroughly at regular intervals. A qualified service engineer should be called at the first sight of a defect. Factors to consider when choosing a refrigerator. Choose one that is affordable. Choose the one that meets the family's requirement. Choose the one that has light in the interior and thermostat control. Choose the one that can be used in your locality depending on the availability of electricity supply. Choose the one that has adequate compartment for food storage and freezing.